Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these guys are up for grabs. They are high flyers. I need to make room because I'm getting ready for my breeding season, January, February, March. And these guys need to move on. They're youngsters. They're all 2021s. And it's about 40 of them. Okay? There's 9 tipplers and 40 high flying. No, there's 9 flights and 40 high flying tipplers. Okay? They're here. You can see them. They're gorgeous. And they're available up for consideration. I'm going to offer them to the person who has a nice loft, okay, for your consideration. You can't get anything like this. They are well bred, very healthy, very well treated, and they will fly like kites. Believe me, you can look at my videos and see. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, smash the notification, and I'll see you soon.